In this module, we will understand all the different image file formats. When you take a photograph, the camera is capturing data, which creates a digital image. But there are many different types of image file formats that can be retrieved and edited using post-processing software. The most commonly used formats are JPEG, TIFF, RAW, DNG, PNG, GIF, BMP, and PSD. Choosing the right file format is important and can even be critical, depending on the level of quality and the level of post-processing that you require. JPEG is probably the best known of all image file formats, and it's what many cameras use as a default output. The thing you should remember is that JPEG files are compressed in camera and therefore result in a loss of detail and quality. They are essentially set up to store as many images on the memory card as possible. Some cameras will have options for different JPEG quality levels, low, medium, and high. The better the photo quality, the less compression the camera will perform on the original photograph. The benefits of JPEG are: the small size file means more images can be stored on a single memory card. Quicker file transfer times due to the smaller file size. The negative aspects of JPEG are: loss of quality due to image compression, and less opportunity for image manipulation in photo editing software. TIFF. TIFF is commonly used in the photography industry. It's generally requested by publishers. Even if the end file format will be a JPEG, the initial file is often a TIFF. TIFF files are usually uncompressed, so they offer the opportunity for extensive post-processing. And because TIFFs are uncompressed, they are much bigger file sizes and will take up a lot of space, both on your memory card and on your computer. Some cameras offer TIFF as their highest quality image format. Here are some benefits of using TIFF. The ability to manipulate photos extensively in editing software, and the option to print at the highest quality and at much larger sizes. The negative sides of TIFF file: much bigger file sizes, so more storage is needed, and longer transfers and loading times due to file size. PNG. Designed in the 90s as an improvement on the GIF file format, PNG files are ideal for use on the internet. PNGs are compressed in a lossless format and therefore retain all detail. But unlike other file formats, PNG quality doesn't mean big file sizes, and this is useful on the internet because you need pages to load quickly. The other benefit of PNG files is that they allow for partial or total transparency, which is ideal for overlays and logos. Here are some benefits for PNG. Lossless compression makes for good image quality, which isn't compromised when editing. And the ability to maintain transparency, which is important for graphics such as overlays and logos. The negative sides of PNG file format is: quality is not good enough for printing at any size. RAW. RAW files are generally available on advanced compact cameras DSLRs, and mirrorless cameras. Simply put, RAW is the best option if you want to get the highest quality files from your camera, and it's the option preferred by professional photographers. If you don't use RAW files, then your camera will make adjustments automatically to your images, and these will be permanently embedded into your photos. RAW files are created using a process that retains all the information originally captured. This means that adjustments such as white balance, exposure, contrast, saturation, and sharpness can all be altered in image editing software after the photo has been taken. Photographing in RAW format requires plenty of memory cards, not to mention considerably post-processing time. It also requires some basic knowledge of image editing software such as Adobe Lightroom. Here are some benefits of using the RAW file format. The highest quality image is captured. Extensive options in post-processing. The negative sides of RAW. Significant time is needed to convert and edit photos. You must edit RAW files. And bigger file sizes requires more storage and longer post-processing times. Now that you've finished this module, you know all the common image file types. Professional photographers generally capture in RAW format, even if the final file needed is a JPEG, then edit in software such as Photoshop or Lightroom. But as you can see, choosing the right file format when capturing the original photo, then choosing the right file format when saving the photo later is absolutely essential.